Okay, this is Fred with Christmas Light Installers. Another tip from a pro, how to hang your lights on your house like a pro did it. So this is what we do, how to hang a wreath on glass. It also works on metal. I'll have to make a different video for metal because I don't always use this for metal. But anyways, you can get these at Home Depot. I see I'm just opening it up. And these hold up to 20 pounds right here, if you can see that. And anyways, we're doing it on the van just because we don't have to hang a wreath on this house. But I just clip it on like this, got 2 suction cups, just like so. And you do it against your house, and then you just hang your wreath up here, just like that. And that's how we hang our wreaths in a lot of windows, if you want to get them centered without putting any nails or glue or anything like that. And that will hold all year, so, or all season long. Just continue to follow us on our channel on YouTube if you want. We're putting out tips this whole holiday season. I do a couple hundred houses a year. Been doing it for almost 10 years now, and we got a lot of tips to come out this holiday season.